Jai Jinendra friends, this is Nitin HP here from the team at generatorcenters.com. We are here at a village called Hullahalli in the Nanjangud Taluk of Mysore district. We are in the premises of Sri Varadaraja Swami temple, and in the entrance of this temple we find a ancient Jaina inscription of 1371 AD. Come, let us explore the details of this ancient Jaina inscription. This is Nitin HP here from the team at generatorcenters.com. Friends, as you see over here, the inscription that you see here is a Jaina inscription. The one in the top that you see is a Jaina Tirthankara. This is a Tirthankara carving, wherein the Tirthankara is in a seated position, or also called as Paryankasana, and the Tirthankara is being flanked by Chauri bearers. You see on either sides, and to the right of the Tirthankara's top, you find the sun, and to the left you see the moon, which clearly signifies that the writings of this particular inscription is valid as long as the sun and moon exists. And below that you find the Jaina Munis preaching the dharmas to the devotees, and also you find the devotees, couple of them. One of the devotee over there to the extreme right, where we see probably a lady with folded hands, and below that you find various inscriptional text that you see over here, but the text is completely worn out, and due to which we are unable to find the complete details of the inscription. Nevertheless, quite a bit of details of the inscription have been exposed or have been discovered. Now let us try to understand the details of this particular inscription. This is an inscription that corresponds to 14th June 1371 AD, and the inscription is worn out. This speaks about the four kalas, or the four times, that is the first kala, the second kala, and the different periods, time frames. And it further says that Perumala Deva, in order to keep Vardhamana happy, had constructed, there was a temple over here at this place called Hullahalli, which otherwise was called as Hullanahalli, and there was a temple which was built over here called as Trijagan Mangala, which was also called as the Trijagan Mangala Chaityalaya, and Manikya Deva was being installed over there, and also there existed an ancient Parameshwara Chaityalaya, and that ancient Parameshwara Chaityalaya was also renovated. Later on, both the Chaityalayas, in order to maintain both the Chaityalayas, certain grants of land or Bhudana were given, and this inscription gives details about all these Bhudanas given over there during this period. And when you look at the lineage of the monkhood that are found over here, this particular inscription belongs to Moola Sangha Deshiya Gana Kondakundanoya Pustaka Gacha, and it clearly calls out the names of Chandra Kirti Vrati, Shrutamani, Jayakirti Deva, Maganandi Siddhanta Deva, Shrutakirti Deva, Bahubali Deva, Jinachandra Deva, and it also clearly indicates that some of these ascetics attained samadhi by following sannyasana. Means to say, they attained samadhi by following the Jaina ritual of Sallekana. Means to say, this is a very interesting and rare inscription which gives you details about the renovation and the donations given to two temples. At the same time, it also gives you details about the practice of Sallekana and attaining of Samadhi of some of the Jaina Munis. I think it is very rare to find such an inscription which is a Dana Shasana or a donatory inscription plus the Sallekana inscription. I think this is one of the very unique Jaina inscriptions that can be found in the region. This is Nitin HP here from the team at Generator Centers team. With this, we will conclude this session. If you would like to continue to receive more updates from us, please follow our Facebook page, facebook.com/generatorcenters.com, or you can also follow our YouTube channel called Generator Centers. This is Nitin HP here again from the team at geneticientest.com. Thank you. Jai Jinesh.